We get a 2010 Acura TSX, and this one, customer tried to fix his headlights by himself, and he was very unsuccessful. Then went to the dealership and got quoted for over $1,000 for repair. I'm gonna tell you why. Why is over $1,000? They're gonna replace both of these sides. I'm gonna show you what's gonna look like here. If we go here, this is the socket for the headlight. I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on, the lights, and see what it look like. All right, we're gonna go focus this real quick. I'm gonna go to inside the car, switch on the headlights, and that is not good. And that's the low beam. I don't know if you see that, and that's the low beam. So I don't know what happened, but he tried to replace it by himself. So now the dealership are quoting him over $1,000 just to replace it. This one is an HID system. The system has an HID bulb, and this one got a ballast and also has this wire separately. You can buy the whole kit, and that's what we're gonna do here. Both of them need to be replaced, the same brand, so it will have the same voltage or amperage here, so it doesn't have any problem in the future. So this has to be dropped. We're gonna go ahead, drop the bumper, access it but from here. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is remove this panel right here that covers the radiator. We have these clips here, a couple clips here. Let's go remove that so we can see what's going on down here. All right, we got that out. These are the clips, and this should be able to pop out. All right, so this is out. We can set this aside, put it on top here. And now you can see this is kind of loose. Then we're gonna get the bumper out. So from here there'll be some, see if you can see it from here. Yeah, Philip one here, or flat, we can use that. And so we can at least drop the front of the bumper cover. Same thing on the other side, right here. So this one, this is screw here. Gonna remove these, and same on the other side. And this will just pop out like this. You see that? Then once it's out, the whole thing can come out. Okay, so I have removed all the tabs underneath as well, so I can remove the whole bumper. So you can see this one is should come out. This whole thing should be able to come out slowly. This one, let's see. All right, this is all out, and the wires should be hanging here for those, for the fog lights. We're just gonna disconnect that. So now we got the bumper removed. We have access on the ballast right here, and we can go ahead and disconnect this one. Let me get a good light here real quick. There we go. There's a couple screw in here. We can remove it, 1, 2, I think it's 3, and we can actually disconnect this here. See that? We can disconnect this one here. We don't need that. That's the one, like the power source here. Let's go ahead and disconnect this. There you go. Then we can remove these and replace it with the new one that we have. And let me show you the new one that we have. We got a harness here, right here, and this is the ballast that we got, and then the bulb. I'm gonna show you how to remove that first, then let's install this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this screw right here. That's 1, 2, 3. one there, and then the third one is back there. So this is the last screw. Let's see if we can remove this piece. There you go. So you can see there is the wire harness that it was burnt. It's right there, and we're gonna go get that one out as well. Right here. See that? What we can do, we can disconnect it from here. See this? There you go. And then we can pull it from the other side. Put it there, and we can pull it from the top, which you probably can see it from here. Okay, the best way to deal with this is what you're gonna do. Get a strap, or this is a pretty big strap here. I'm gonna get a strap here. I'm gonna tie this up, so when I pull it in the other side, we have a line how to bring things back up. Okay, I'm gonna pull it from the top in here. Okay, so that's hard to snake it up here. Let me see. All right, because we are replacing the wire harness between the bulb and on the ballast, we're gonna remove this headlamp assembly just to see what's going on in there. And there's like, I think this is a 10mm bolt here. Let's see, right here, 10mm bolt here, and also this side here, 10mm bolt. Let's go remove that so we can pull the whole thing out. Okay, and also under this railing trims right here, there's another one down here. Don't forget that. And once you got that out, be careful you put your hand down here. You can be ready to grab it, to remove it. That's out. So now, because this one is burnt, we're gonna take this out. And it's kind of tight to get it inside here. So we'll see if I can get this out from here. I still have my rope, so it will be able to easy to put it back in. Okay, I'm not sure if I can show you this well, but this is where it's gonna come out from there. We're gonna snake it in. There you go. That's out. See, that's why we have a rope here, or a strap, so we can put back the wiring, this harness back easily. There you go. Right here. So let's get a new one in and put it back in. All right. Before we install it, make sure that these are matching correctly. This and the connector here. And also, if you want, what we're gonna do is let's go ahead, plug it in, and see if it lights up. That's all we're gonna do first, without installing everything. We just like, I'm gonna hang it here, and then let's see if it lights up. All right, so what we're gonna do, this is the new ballast that we have. I'm gonna go ahead, plug this in. Straight click. That's good. And I'm gonna go ahead, put the bulb in. And be careful with this. This gets really hot. So put the bulb in here. Let's see. Should click around, and then there's a ground wire that we need to ground this. We get that connected. Okay, so the ground wire is connected to the top of these. It's a little terminal here. I don't know if you can see it. That one right here, it goes there. Let's go ahead and connect this real quick. Okay, so that one is connected there. Well, no, it came off. Okay, so that ground wire is connected there. And now we're just gonna connect this to the harness, to the power source. Okay, right here. So I'm just gonna let this hang. I'll make sure these are not touching the wire. That's what you need to make sure, because this gets really hot. So I'm just gonna avoid it. Do that, hopefully it doesn't move. Flip it over, that might be okay. All right, then I'm gonna go inside the car and see if it does light up, okay? I'll turn that off. I'm gonna go walk here. We'll see if that light up. Should be pretty bright. Let's see. You guys see it? I'm gonna go here. I couldn't see it. That one did light up. So we're gonna check it out. Okay, hold on. That's a low beam, but that didn't light up. So something is not right. Let's go check it out, okay? Something didn't light up. So that's good that we test it first. Make sure that it's plugged in. Maybe this is not plugged all the way in. Do it again. Let's try this. Let's try it, okay? Maybe it didn't click all the way. There you go. This one didn't click all the way. So let's try it one more time. This wasn't in all the way. Let's go ahead. Plug it in. See any light? Let me see. Yep, it lights up. That thing is good. So try another one. And that thing lights up. Pretty bright. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off. There you go. Now we can actually install everything back. That we know everything's working. I just have to make sure that this one is plugged all the way in. Let's go ahead and put it back. Snake this thing in, the harness out there, in here, and go out past the other side. All right, let's go ahead and put this back in. We'll see if we can do this one way, the easy way. Let's tie this in. Make it small so we don't get like, okay? And now, all right, I got interrupted. I had someone call me, but there you go. Let's go ahead and snake this in, tie in, and just to make sure slowly to pull it so I didn't break the wires. There you go. I think it's going pretty good. Is the rubber, and up here it's a little tight. Just gotta pull it just a little bit, but don't force it. There you go. I'm out of here. There you go. I'm out up here, so that's good. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead, disconnect this one, and that's it. This is ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one. Let's go ahead and put this in the bulb. In here, make sure it's in. We'll see. How's it going? It only goes one way. Just go ahead, put that in. Make sure that's in. All right, this one goes, I believe it's like that. And this is going to be clicking. There you go. Let's go ahead, lock it in. This clamp, push it. Same here. There you go. That one is in. Let's go ahead, connect this one here too. Make sure that goes in pretty good. Put in, lock. Make sure that's locked. There you go. Lock. Tug it a little bit. Then let's go ahead and put the ground in. Right here, down there. All right, the ground wire is intact. Make sure it's not moving. And then I'm gonna go ahead disconnect this strap that I have here, and then of course this one goes here. I'm gonna go ahead put the ballast in here. Okay, so here is the ballast. I'm gonna go ahead plug it, make sure there's no corrosion, and then let's go ahead seal it. Make sure the ballast is sealed, because water could go into this thing. All right, so once this is sealed, let's go ahead and put this back. It goes this way. There you go. We get the screw, and then we are done. We're gonna put back this the headlamp assembly. All right, so we put everything back here. I haven't bolted in yet, so I'm gonna test it one more time. If everything looks good, let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's go back here. There's the lights. Turn it on. You can see they both works. Let's see. That's the new one you put in. This is the original one. I don't know if you can see from the camera. They're a little bit different color. This is more a little warmer, and this is like bluish tint to it. And from here you kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it well, but they're a little bit different. Don't worry about the alignment, because this is not fully in yet. But that's the reason why we're gonna replace the other side, even though there's nothing wrong with it. But let's do the same thing here, just like how we did here, and we should be good and put everything back, and we are done. And also, let me point out something. This is the one that we replaced, this one, and this is the other one that we didn't. And let me turn it on real quick. Okay, and I don't know if you can hear that. I'll put my mic under the ballast of the new one. That's a little bit quiet, and this one is louder. Can you hear that? So this is the original one. That's the ballast for that, and this is the new one. It's a lot quieter, so that's the other reason that we can replace it too. All right, I got everything put back. This is all new. Let's go test it one more time before we put the bumper back in. Let's turn it on. All right. This one looking about the same color now. I don't think you can see it, but here looks about the same. And then let's go ahead and put the bumper back. It should be done. All right, so everything is put back together. This is what it looked like. Let me go ahead and turn on the low beam headlights, and the car is running, so we can see the full. There you go. That's the lights, low beam. Let's check it out. They're even, very bright, quiet. And let's go ahead just see what it looked like with being high beam. That's the high beam. All right, this is done, guys. Thank you for watching. This is for 2010 Acura TSX HID headlight, low beam, ballast, and harness, and the bulb replacement. Thank you, guys. Till next time.